By using Envoy's presence integrations, employees can be automatically checked into the workplace by completing everyday tasks, such as badging in through an access control system, connecting to workplace Wi-Fi, or using SSO to log into apps. Let's take a look at how this process works.
So, what is Presence? Presence is a way for Envoy to automatically sign employees in upon arrival at the workplace. Instead of opening the app or web dashboard to manually check in, Envoy can detect presence through integrations with your access control system, Wi-Fi network, or SSO provider. For example, if someone badges in at the front door, Envoy receives this signal and checks this employee in. If their device connects to your office Wi-Fi, Envoy can automatically check them in. With SSO, when users authenticate into their apps, Envoy can receive their IP address and confirm their on-site presence. A few things to keep in mind. Employees must be added to Envoy and matched correctly with their badge or device info. Each individual signal can be seen in the access log, which we'll explore in a later video. You can enable or disable auto check-in at any time at the location level. These automatic check-ins are essential for populating other Envoy features, such as occupancy and attendance dashboards. For those with emergency notifications, on-site status is shown in the sent log, letting safety leaders know who is physically present during an emergency. You can find detailed setup guides for each integration within the Envoy Help Center.